Hello everyone! Our lesson today is about the 3ds Max. 3D Max is a professional 3D computer graphics software used for 3D modeling, for 3D animations like the movie Avatar, like the series of Tintin, 3D animation movies, or for 3D games, as you see in this photo taken from a game. It's all built in 3D Max, and even the characters are moving by doing animation in 3D Max. 3D Max is developed and produced by Autodesk Media and Entertainment. Autodesk is one of the leading companies in producing softwares for architecture used and many more like AutoCAD, Revit, and 3D Max. Now let's go to the interface. 3D Max interface can be classified into 5 elements: menus, toolbars, viewports, command panel, and lower bar. Let's start by menus. Menu bar found along the top edge of the Max windows. Menus hold most of the 3D Max command: edit, tools, views, modifiers, rendering, and many more, as you see. The next one is toolbars. Toolbars, there are numbers of toolbars containing icons and buttons that provide single click to access features. Toolbars can be modified by adding or removing any of these buttons of icons, depending on what we use the most in our scene, in our 3D Max work. Let's go now to viewports. There are 4 separate views into the scene. We have top, where we can see the top of our scene. We have front, left, and we have perspective, which show us the scene or the object as a 3D model. Now let's go to the command panel. Command panel is located to the right of the viewport. It contained 6 tabbed icons that open various panels, and each panel contains different parameters and settings. Now let's go to the lower bar. Lower bar located at the bottom of the interface windows. Its icons are mostly used for animations. As you can see, we have the frame bar here. We have the play, forward, backward. We have lock. So this is how the 3D Max appears when we first open it. And now I'm gonna give you an idea about one of the 3D Max used, the 3D modeling and rendering, which is my work field. Let's go to the 3D architectural visualization. Architectural visualization, or ArcViz, is a broad term that describes seeing architectural designs before they are built. Let's go to step 1, linked from AutoCAD. AutoCAD is another Autodesk software where we can build our 3D design, and after that we link it or we import it to 3D Max. Step 2, we add materials. As you can see, I added one kind of stone to this wall, another kind to this one. I added some woods for this part. We have a door, glass, and many more materials that we will see later in the final render. Now let's go to step 3, where we add some greenery and furniture. We added trees, car, table and chairs, long chairs for here, some lanterns for the garden. And as you can see in this view, it's the perspective view where we can see our building in 3D. And now let's go to step 4, the final render. This is what Max give us for the 3D architectural visualization. A previous view for our villa or our scene before it's built. As you can see, we have lights, we have material, grass, paving, rooftop, greenery, trees, and this was our lesson for today. I hopefully it was helpful for you, and we'll see you in the next lesson.